We are Picturely. We provide tools to create and curate public photo albums. What does this mean? Public means the photos we're aggregating are in the public domain. Public means photos are inherently social creations. Public also means that once you've created an album, anybody can go back in and edit it later. Much like Wikipedia, anyone can play. So why are we doing this? Well, at the moment, there is a large amount of fragmentation that is occurring in the photographic space, especially with the proliferation of mobile apps. There is an architectural problem that is occurring. There's TwitPic, Instagram, YFrog, PicPlease, Picasa, Flickr. I'm sure you can name some others. What is happening is they're all being stored in these different places, and we're taking photos as archives of our lives, but we're losing them to the tyranny of disorganization. So we've created tools to search. As an aggregation layer, you can find these photos from all their different sources. What we're also doing is, once you've found them through a search term, such as Black Founders for this evening, we're going to give you tools to aggregate, to curate, to vote on them for rating, maybe to tag them later on, something you've missed. If after the event you want to add something else later, you can do that because it's public. Anyone can add. How are we going to make money? Well, the way that public photo albums work is it's very much a freemium model. If you've ever seen blogging services, it would operate like that. The first step to this is building something people want. In fact, it's building something people need. Now, how do we know they need this? Because we've just gone through a fairly interesting stage in our startup. 2 days ago, we pivoted, in fact. We had originally been building an enterprise model, this ability to put your photos up on the big screen. It was amazing. People loved it. The thing was that venues wouldn't pay for it. But we got a lot of interesting intelligence around the photo space, the most interesting of which was everyone said, "Hey, Owen, where can I find these photos? Like, all these photos that were up on the screen, where are they?" And I was like, "I don't know. I guess they're on all their different services. I guess someone should build something to aggregate them." So we did, or we are. So what is the future? Well, as we create these tools to curate public photo albums, theoretically we are organizing the world's photos, but one step at a time. Maybe we're getting ahead of ourselves. We certainly have the team to deliver this vision. The team would be Bosco, he's a senior engineer, ex-MIT and Orange Labs. Hadir, who I'm sure you all know, has 10 years experience, and myself, I actually have some domain expertise in this space because I was a photographer myself. The most important thing for us is to test our hypothesis that people want these public albums in the space that actually doesn't exist. It's not being properly organized. The most important thing for us as a learning company is to have mentors with experience in creating scalable business models, scalable services, experience with metrics, and also with freemium models, because that's good for us. We'd love feedback. Say hello at the Twitter, which I mentioned before, and thank you very much for your time.